This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. So from last time, I finally got it out of the packet. We've got our stone and our surround. But what we need to do, first of all, is this. We need to get our circuit board into there. So we've got the circuit here, which goes in there with the room for the batteries on the other side. Been a while since I built one of these, but I vaguely remember. There's 2 pins and 2 screws. I've got lots of screws already out, so let's use some of those. One there, and one down the bottom there. There we are. Get those tightened up. So as ever, we've got batteries to go in the back, and on the front we've got the switch and the LED. What does it say to do next? Next is to put in the switch and the springs. So yeah, these have to go over the screw holes there, like that. That goes over all of that, that way round. That then goes over the top of that. All has to be the right way around because of cutouts and bits on there. So let's get that over there, that over there, that on there. That seems to be working as a switch. What I will do is get 2 more screws into this. And then I'll jump away from the instructions just a little bit. And make sure it works. Get that in there, come on. In you go. That's not going in there either. Right, let's try again with a different screw. These are the screws that I've been trying to mess around with, trying to get the last bit assembled. Trying to get the palm put together. Which is why I've got the start of a big blister on the inside of my palm where I've been pushing very hard with the screwdriver. So there we go, that's that. Let's get one more in there. So there we have that. Yep. Then I'm going to jump away from the instructions a little bit, put the batteries in, test it out, and then get the clips in place and be done. See you in a sec. Okay, there we go, all assembled. I did have to adjust the circuit board a little bit, as I normally have to do on these, but it works. It turns on. Quite a lovely blue, that one. And off, I've attached one side of the plate. I'll do the other one now. I've also attached the magnets into the hand itself, because you've seen me do that before, and basically I want to get to the end. So let's get this attached. Just one screw either side of that, being careful of the magnet in the middle, because it's got a tendency to try and steal the screws. So there we go. That one's not fully down for some reason. Down enough, I'm sure. And there we go. Right, so I have that now to attach along with all of the others. All good to go. They all still light up. Yeah, they all still light up. So all good stuff with that. I shall get them all turned off again. And then we need to bring in his bigness. Now, I do like that these are all unique and have to be the right ones to the right places. Obviously, that one's for the thumb, which has got no choice as to which way around it goes. Like that. And then we've obviously got the big one in the middle, which again has a flat side, so you have to get it the right way around on there like that. And then these four are all different shapes. Well, let's say different. We've got a fully oval one, which goes over there. One we've just done goes in there. That one has no, it's this one. Yeah, there we go, because it's got an indentation on there to go there, and that one will fit in there. So there we go, one completed Infinity Gauntlet with movable fingers. I do like it. It's huge, it's massive. I shall get it on the stand and get some pictures of it with the lights on and stuff as well, because yeah, I'm happy for it to be done, but it's massive. I shall find somewhere to store it and display it, because it's worthy of display. Slightly unhappy about the fit of this final piece on the edge there, but it's fine. It's how it's built. It's built. So there we go. Yeah. So we have an entire gauntlet that I can reach inside and grab the bar that holds it all in place. But there you go. That's that. I shall get some pictures and put them up now. But apart from that, another build is completed. So thank you very much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed it as well. And I'll see you for more of a different part work very soon. Let's turn the lights on so we can say goodbye properly. So thanks for watching. I'll see you soon for more. Stick around for the slideshow and the videos of it in final display. Bye bye for now.